Today I will show you how to boomerang on Instagram, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch up your Instagram application, and you're going to go to your home profile by clicking on the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation. And once you're on your profile, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus sign at the middle of the bottom navigation, and once you click on it, you have three choices to either post, a story, or a reel. We're gonna go to story, and in story, we have the on the left side of the options, there's an infinity sign that says boomerang. This sign. Now you're gonna click this sign, and you're gonna realize the camera button has changed to the infinity sign. And once you take a video, you're gonna realize it's gonna be flashy, and then you're gonna be able to create your boomerang, or you're gonna be able to post to your story. And that's how to boomerang on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.